Good morning. I am Ramya Devi working as Assistant Professor in SNS College of Engineering. Today I am going to share a topic in web technology, the website basics and HTML, in which the web essentials. So what are the essential elements which are needed for communication in the internet? So we need a client, a server, and then the communication backbone, like protocols, and then how the communication is happened between the client and server in the internet. So how to access information around the globe? So there are so many ways we can access the information around the globe. So what are the ways? So we can access an information, or we can know the information through a book, or we can know an information through a newspaper or a radio, and then on a TV. But nowadays we are accessing, or we are getting all the information through the internet. So what is internet? So we need a global network. So a system, if it is a standalone, we cannot get any information from it. So we need a global network of billions of computers and other electronic devices connecting a computer to the internet. So we need to connect our standalone system to an internet so that we can able to share the information among it. So the connecting our standalone system to another system, or to a billions of another network, is called as an internet. So it is also called as World Wide Web. So web for short. So collection of different websites you can access through the internet. So how does an internet work? So, and also the things you can do on the internet. So in the internet you can able to watch movies, you can able to book a ticket to a movie, or you can able to get all the informations like banking information, or tour in, places information, or you can able to book any ticket, or you can able to chat to your friend who is in abroad. So you can do many things over the internet. So what are the essential elements of the World Wide Web? So the web browsers, we need a web browser to surf the net. We need a server system to supply the information to the browsers, and also we need a computer network which supports the browser server communication. And this is basically a client and server. A client should have a web browser, which is nothing but a software which will be installed in our system, like Internet Explorer or Chrome, like that. And then we will have a web browser in which there are so many information are stored in our website. So whenever a request for a web page is made from a web browser or a client, it goes through the internet, and then the request for a web page will hit the server page, web server. So the web server will have the static web pages, and then it will read the request, and then it will convert the request to an HTML as a HTML file, and then it will again pass that information to the internet, and again it will reach back to the client. So that is called a web browser. So how this internet got origin? So basically the history of internet starts from an ARPANET. So ARPANET is developed for military purposes. So for connecting the one system to the another system. So the technical origin of an internet is started from the ARPANET in the late 1960s. So heterogeneous geographically dispersed computers are connected, and then the email has been sent through the ARPANET in 1972. So ARPANET, which have only a limited access because it has been generated for DoD, Department of Defense, and then through funded organization. And then again the history of internet got continued, and then it has went to the open access networks, regional university networks, example Suranet, CS Net for CS departments not on ARPANET, and NSF Net, which is from 1985 to 1995. The primary purpose is that to connect the supercomputer centers, and the secondary purpose is that to provide backbone to connect regional networks. So the internet, the network of networks connected via the public backbone and communicating using TCP/IP communication protocol. So backbone initially supplied by NSF net and privately funded beginning in 1995. So this is the evolution of internet. So here the internet is the collection of computers that can communicate with one another using TCP/IP over an open global communication network. Thank you.